Hey, hey, hey. So today's video is going to be a little bit on shoe repair. I got these shoes right here in my ThredUp rescue box. And when I looked them up, the designer, it's Cesare Paciotti. This one's got better. And so when I looked up the design, like the heels were broken. So this one I already, full disclosure, this one I already pulled this off to see if I could actually do it. I ended up having my husband do it because I was going to break it. But both of them came sort of like this. And I actually think the other one was worse. But these are pretty expensive shoes. So I figured I would give it a try. I didn't want to necessarily take it to a cobbler and pay someone to do it. So I went to the trusty Amazon and ordered some shoe tips. So we're going to see how easy it is to replace broken shoe tips. Hopefully this helps somebody. If you are new here, my name is Gracia. And if you are not, welcome back. And let's open my package and get right into it. I hope this is the tips. Okay, so yeah, this is a kit that has a bunch of different size tips. I'll put the price somewhere in here. It was really cheap, and it came with 24 tips and a little extractor tool thing. I don't know what this is. Shaper, form. I don't know what it is. We're going to open it. Oh, these are my... So then I also ordered these inserts for shoes so I can take better pictures. So I got those. Yay. Okay, so we're going to open the kit. And it says... So this is the little puller thing. And then it looks like these are the smaller tips. Actually, I don't really know. So yeah, like I said, I already got this one off. I still need to pull this one off. So I guess we will just see if we can find the right tips, and then I'll get to pulling that off, I think. I don't know. Those look too big. And then where's my measuring tape? I didn't know exactly what size I needed, but if you measure like this part here, like this area here, just across like this, you can get the size that you need, but I still wasn't quite 100% sure, so I just grabbed the multi-pack. So I think we need to not only find the right heel size, those are going to be too small, but also the right pin size, those are going to be too small. Those ones look promising, but the pin looks skinny, so I'm going to put those to the side. Maybe that's why I have two different packages. I have skinny ones and fat ones. So let's open the fat ones. And I don't see numbers on there. I'm going to put my hair up really fast. Where's my... About to get down to business. Shit's about to get real. Okay. So, what did I do with those ones? These ones. So... it might be those ones. Those ones might be too small. Those are too small. Those are too big. Too small. I think it's these ones. If this pin doesn't go in, we're screwed. Because it's all about the pin. Okay, so that looks like it will work. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take off this tip and we'll see how long it takes. And then maybe you can save some money if you find a pair of shoes that are worth getting fixed. And you don't want to take them because it's hopefully a pretty simple process. So everything that I've seen, so when I did that one, the whole plastic piece busted and I was just left with the metal pin. So I don't know what's going to happen here, but we're just going to take it. Yeah, like how that just broke off. See? So that's okay. I think it's probably better that way, but I'm just going to take it and just get rid of all that. Nobody needs that plastic. So then there's a little tiny gap right here, and I'm just going to take these and I am just going to grip it and twist. But I want to be careful that I don't mess with like that in there. So let's see. So twist, just little rotating. Trying to be careful and grip it and not, I mean, it's twisting just fine. I want to actually just grab the metal thing. I don't want to grab the post yet because, like I said, I don't want to get in this part right here and mess that up. So these kind of suck. I don't like this tool. I think I'm going to go grab the other tool that I was using the other night. I will be right back. So I'm going to use these. I think I have needle nose around here somewhere. That might be a better option, but because I don't know quite where they are, I'm not going to go searching for them. So we will just use this tool. Okay. So I just want to grab the tip right here and just kind of turn. Maybe even just kind of turn it so that it kind of twists out like a screw maybe. No, thank you. No, thank you. No, thank you. That's my dog. My dog, Ozzy. Yeah, it seems to work better if you just kind of grip it and twist it. Kind of like a screw. At this point, I can come in and use the other tool so that I'm not... And you could probably pull, but I ain't trying to pull. I'm just going to twist. It's coming out just fine with the twisting. At this point, I can just pull it out. So there you go. That is the little pin. This one looks a lot better than the first one. The first one I did was kind of bent over. So yeah. So there's that. So this hammer might be a little overkill for this, but maybe just like a little tap hammer will do better. So now that I got this one and this one, we're gonna go ahead and hammer this baby in. So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna tilt this down this way. There's a bunch of different sizes. I'm thinking this is the right size for, yeah, because this one is too big. These ones are too big. Okay, let's just hammer it in, see how it goes. So get it in there as lined up as you can, as that's supposed to be, and then maybe just kind of, I want to pinch myself. Maybe push it in, and then watch this be where I break it. That would suck. So it's going, I just don't, I mean, I'm kind of ruining the heel or that a little bit. And I wish that, it's because my hammer's a little rusted. Let's just see here. I mean, maybe you have like a pair of Louis Vuittons or something. Go get them fixed. But I'm too cheap and I don't wanna. So I figured if this doesn't work, oh well. No skin off my back. Hopefully I don't break anything or hit my finger. So yeah. I think it's slowly but surely going in there. Just keep at it. I mean, this is basically the same thing that your cobbler would be doing anyway, is hammering on it, but maybe they would have a better way of holding it than I do. I really don't know, but we're going for it. Okay, so it's definitely going down, but I don't know if I'll be able to fix it and straighten it.
Keep going, jeez. You're a lot longer than I thought. this one will go in straighter. Could have totally been my fault. That's probably not a good idea. Oh well. Maybe if I go lighter.
This one's bending too. Maybe turn it the other way so I can get more force coming down the other side.
We're getting somewhere, I think. Let's see if we can get it finished.
Just gotta get that little bit back, or that little amount right there down. And if this works, then I am going to pull out the other one, I think, and grab another one of these because it did come with 4 sizes of each. Let's continue. Oh no. Well, that sucks. This little strap just broke. I must have hit it with the hammer. Damn it. I can probably take the link though with some needle nose. Here's the link. And then I probably can just fix that. Yeah, that shouldn't be a problem.
Let's pull this out. These ones are definitely not as easy to grab. Oh, too small. Definitely too small. I think this is the same size that I put in already. Actually, see, I think this one is too small. I mean, it fits right here, but then it doesn't fit in the back. This one fits in the back, but not in the front. Where did my little piece of my shoe go? Shoot. don't want to lose that. So I'm going to see if I can't just finish hammering this thing in. Everything still seems to be good. Okay.
So yeah, you can see how it's a little big right here, but the other one was just a little too small on the outside, and I think it's more important to have the outside covered. But yeah, I mean, it can be done. It doesn't mean that it should be done. This was just a fun little experiment. I'm not suggesting that you should take your designer shoes and pound away at them. I just wanted to see if I could do it because I really had nothing else to lose. Because I was not going to take them to a cobbler. I don't even know if I have a cobbler where I'm at. I'm sure there's one somewhere, but I just don't have the time to drive to wherever that may be. So I thought, what have I got to lose? Well, besides the fact that now I have to fix this, which like I said is not going to be a problem. It's just clamping that link back on. And I think I just separated the link by pounding away at it. So yeah, I'm going to fix that. I am going to pound away at this one and see what happens. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. Maybe I'll sell them as is, and I will definitely disclose that I beat the shit out of them. But, yeah, that's where we're at. So I'm going to just go ahead and pound away at this one and see where we go, where we get. So that one fits differently than this one. They are the same. But either way, this video is becoming too long. You get the gist. It can be done. Do I recommend it? I don't know. But there you go. So yeah, if you've stuck around for this long, atrocious video, I appreciate it. Thank you very much. And yeah, tell me your thoughts. Would you go out of your way to do this? All in all, I think like it takes about 20 to 25 minutes if you get it going right the first time, but I did not. This is the first time I've ever done anything like this. So yeah, leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.